I'd like to show you all of the different adjusting equipment that we use here at HealthWorks in Plano, Texas. My name is Dr. Christy Flick, and I'm one of the chiropractors here at HealthWorks. And one of the things that we really like to make sure that we're promising our patients is precision in care. And one of the ways that we're able to do that is by using some different instruments to help adjust the spine. And sometimes when you're new to chiropractic, some of the instruments can look a little weird or like they might be scary. So I'd like to introduce you to each one of the instruments that we use. So this is George, and he'll be helping us. And for the adjustments, the patient is almost always laying on the table, sometimes seated, but almost always laying. And we use one of these three instruments, our orthospinology tool, our ArthroStim, or our activator, which is this one here. And each one of these tools helps to actually move the bone. And so to demonstrate that, I've got a little bit of a little marble in a tube, and I'd like to show you just how that works. So let's get all set up here. We've got George in place. We've got our activator here. So you can imagine if this was an actual patient, I would be standing here and we'd find just the right spot. We do evaluation on your spine each time to make sure that we're adjusting in just the precise way, the precise manner. And so with the activator, what we do is we get right on the edge of the bone and we make an impulse like this. So it makes a little bit of a clicking noise. And that actually, let's make sure you can see this. You see the marble jump? Yeah, so that actually transfers some force into your spine to move the bone and make the adjustment. Also, we can use the ArthroStim, and this has several different settings on it. We can use it to relax muscle, to adjust bone, to release ligament, or just one big tap if we need it. And so let me show you what that one looks like. Just like this. And you can see that marble just really go. And that one is to release muscle on that setting. Or if you need your atlas adjusted, we use our orthospinology tool. And this one will get the marble to jump, but just a tiny little bit. Too little for you to be able to see on the video, because this is a very precise adjustment. This one is for Atlas C1 only. And for this one, the patient would be lying on their side. We do some very special measurements and then do just a little tap like that to set the bone into place. So each one of these instruments are designed to be precise and also to be gentle so that you can get the very best adjustment and still be very comfortable while that's happening.